about to be famous.
I need some fresh fries. 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 Okay, hold up, man. My girlfriend said, please leave. I need some Mickey D's. I said, dang, man, you weren't full at IHOP. I spent. She said, don't matter. Thank you, sir. Yeah, no doubt. Golly, dude. Sweet tea. I got 3. And I don't even drink them. Like Lincoln, trying to get free from slavery. Daily. Struggling. She can't get enough of them Mickey D's. Please believe I spend about $80 a week. Ugh. Well, over exaggerate. Don't hate. Might as well contemplate the plate that I meditate and actually elevate and levitate and meditate. And this is not another state of mind, just a rhyme that sometimes I combine with words and a slur, but guarantee for sure I'ma serve on the beat. It's so sweet and yet discreet. Please believe that I need to just see when the beat and my feet just collide. No lie that I drive and scoot up cause this girl behind me is like, dude, I'm trying to drive. Dang.